Good morning, YouTubers. Celticghostz here. Today is July 16th, 2021, and as promised, I'm here to give you the update on our Mood to Merge. If you'll remember, we had been waiting another 10 business days to see if we were going to get our money, because as you can see, it says, success, your money has been transferred to your PayPal account. Please check in your PayPal account to get them. Okay, well, there is no money in my PayPal account. And we were waiting another 10 days because we thought maybe it might take longer. See, we've been waiting really past that. It says that it succeeded. And the last one was actually the first one I did when they did their initiation period, where if you play so many days, you get so much money. It has always been processing, never went through. Possibly they expect us to watch maybe thousands and thousands of video before they actually release the payments. I'm not sure how this works, but I'd made 2 videos on this before, and after I'd posted my second one, I clicked on this and it gave this message. You can get your $300 in 10 days. Your money has transferred to your PayPal account. Please check in your PayPal account to get them. Okay, the money was not there, so we thought we would wait 10 more business days, and here it is today. But you might say, well, this is before midnight, so maybe we need to wait a little longer. So, YouTubers, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait. We're going to wait overnight, past midnight and everything, and tomorrow we'll come back and check again on our Mood to Merge and see if possibly the payments have arrived in my PayPal account. If not, I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and keep the game. I've already worked so hard and so many days and so many hours to make all the payments. I've reached all the payouts. And it doesn't cost me anything to log in here every day and just play a game. So I'm going to keep the game, and I'm going to keep playing it. And anyway, I hope you guys have fun. And we'll come back tomorrow and check this again, because maybe it's a wait until after midnight deal where you have to wait until the next, after the business day. Anyway, YouTubers, thank you for watching. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more, please click my like and subscribe button, and you'll get my updates before anyone else. Thank you for watching and have a great day.